All right, now let's look at first example here. Find the bearing of M, N, P, R, S, T, U, and W from the center O. So this is a diagram. Please, the diagram is not drawn to scale. Okay, so the measurements are not accurate. All right, so we are going to look at this one. The measurement here, the bearings here. So this is the center. You are talking about center O. So you want the bearing from the center O towards M to N, all of them. Okay, so first one, let's look for the M. Now if you want to find the M, we have seen that for the bearing is measured. Now before I even continue, someone might ask, I said that it's 3-decade bearing. Why is it that when I was writing here 50, I didn't write 050? When it's in the diagram like this, you can just write it just as it is now. Okay, but when you are writing your answer, it should be in 3-decade. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, so here you want to find the bearing of M. The bearing of M is like it was here. This is the starting point and it has moved to this place. Okay, so it was here and it moved to that place because we said that you measure it clockwise or direction. So you stand at where the N is and you measure to where the M is. So those of you that know how to use a protractor, put the protractor there to measure it for you. Okay, as I said, it's not drawn to scale. So you stand at where the N is and you measure to where the M is. So if I do that, stand here and I'll measure. Okay, so if I do that, what am I going to get? My marker isn't flowing. Okay, so we stand here and measure to this place. Now we all know that this is a quadrant, one quadrant. Okay, from north to east is a one quadrant, which is 90 degrees. So we know that if here is 20 degrees, from here to here is 90 degrees. So if the whole of this place is 90 degrees and here is 20 degrees, what will be here? That will be what? 60 degrees. So if I want to find the bearing of M, the answer is not 20, but it's rather 60 because you are looking at from here to where the M is, not this place. Is that okay? Good. So here my answer becomes 060 degrees. Is that okay? Very good. Now you also look for N, bearing of N. So bearing of N. Now, before we explain that one, I should have said this thing to you. You know, when you draw the cardinal point, for instance, this is the north, the east.